The ocean covers most of our planet. It gives us oxygen, it regulates our climate, it feeds communities, it connects life across the planet. And yet, most people never really get the chance to understand how it works.
Hi, I'm Francesca.
And I'm Cristian.
We are part of a generation inspired by Jacques Cousteau, a generation that discovered the ocean through wonder, curiosity, and exploration.
Both of us grew up fascinated by the sea, and that fascination eventually became our work. For almost 20 years, our lives have been connected to the ocean through marine science, research, data, fieldwork, and education.
But over time, we felt something important.
We didn't just want to study the ocean,
We wanted to share it,
to go back to the basics,
to make ocean science understandable,
to make it social.
to make it something people could experience together.
That is why we created Blue Biome. People care about the ocean, but caring is not always the same as understanding. Marine ecosystems are complex, dynamic, and fragile. Everything is connected: light, temperature, nutrients, oxygen, plankton, fish, predators, climate, and ultimately human activities.
But for many people, marine science feels distant. It is often hidden behind technical language, scientific models, long-term datasets, and academic publications.
In education, we often learn facts one by one, but not always how systems work together. The ocean is not a collection of isolated facts. It is a living system, and we believe people need better ways to explore that system. Blue Biome is our answer. It is a science-based board game that turns marine ecosystems into something you can build, play, discuss, and understand.
Players create ocean ecosystems by managing key environmental conditions such as light, nutrients, temperature, and oxygen. They use species cards based on real marine life from plankton to predators and experience how biodiversity, human activity, and environmental change shape the ocean. But Blue Biome is more than a board game. It is the beginning of a wider ocean literacy system.
The board game is the heart of the experience, but it connects to a growing platform of educational resources, including digital tools, short videos, online game versions, books, and other learning materials.
Each part of the platform offers a different way to explore the ocean, for families, for schools, for museums, for science communicators, for anyone curious about how the ocean works.
And ultimately, making ocean literacy accessible, experiential, and social. Blue Biome is developed by our non-profit association. This is not just a hobby project.
It is a mission-driven initiative created by people who have dedicated their education and professional lives to marine science.
Revenue from the board game will cover production and development costs, and any other surplus will be reinvested into Blue Biome's non-profit mission to deliver science-based education, open learning resources, and ocean literacy outreach.
We want Blue Biome to become more than a game on a table. We want it to become a community.
A community of players, educators, scientists, families, and ocean advocates who believe that understanding the ocean is the first step toward protecting it.
Blue Biome is our way of making the ocean easier to understand, exciting to explore, and meaningful to share.
By backing this campaign, you're not simply supporting a board game. You are supporting science communication, ocean awareness, and new ways of learning.
But most importantly, you are joining a community committed to making ocean literacy a foundation for protecting our ocean.
Help us bring Blue Biome to life. Back the campaign, share it with others, and join us in building this project so more people can understand how the marine systems work. Together, we will turn understanding into action.